everybody. I'm sending you a big hug. I miss you all. And if you don't know me, my name is Carmen, and I love to travel and I love to share my travel adventures with you. Tell me, do you like to travel? If you do, can you put in the comments why you like to travel? A few of the reasons why I like to travel is because I like to experience different climates, architecture, history, arts, and crafts. And this video is about pottery, but more than that. When I travel, I see so many pieces of arts and crafts that I want to bring with me. But when I used to bring something, I was proud to tell my friends and family how little I had paid for that piece of art until now. I think age has given me a little bit of experience, enough to pause and look in the faces of the artisans when we are trying to pay as little as possible. And I see a sadness because perhaps I'm giving them the message that their efforts, work, skill, and art is not valued. And so I wanted to see what it all took to make such a piece. Pottery is one of the oldest art forms, and it's still being passed down from one generation to the other, and it's still being made by hand in many areas of the world. Well, this time when I was traveling through Mexico in the state of Michoacán, I encountered this beautiful place and had the privilege of meeting the person who makes them, Doña Matilde, who was kind enough to allow me into her home. I'm bringing you with me to see Doña Matilde's process of making these beautiful works of art. And one of the things that you will notice is that she puts so much pride, love, and passion in each one of her pieces of art. if you like this kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe and like, and hopefully my videos will get better and better as I go on, and I will be uploading more videos about my adventures and seeing travel from different angles. A big kiss to all of you. Doña Matilde, muchísimas gracias por permitirnos entrar a su hogar y a su taller. Fue un placer.